we'll talk about North West Expo first of all. When I came in, I arrived in NorthIsle in July 2021, and there were a number of drill holes that had been drilled, and the program had been set up. And at North West Expo, one of the holes was to be drilled to a northerly area, and I said we should drill to the south. So we turned around, went 250 meters south, and drilled what was NW.
And why at a high level? Why?
Why? Because in the southern area, pointing to the south, is where they've got silica clay pyrite alteration, which is typical of this area where the porphyries are. This alteration, and it's after it's associated with the porphyry system. If we jump back to Island Copper, the main mineralization was biotite magnetite, I'll emphasize magnetite, and outside that it was chlorite magnetite. Magnetite's important. And then outside you had this silica clay pyrite alteration around that. So I said, well, we should drill into the silica clay pyrite alteration. And we did, and that was NW2103. And we got 89 meters of 0.15 copper and almost 1 gram of gold. So it was about averaging about, I think, 0.86 copper equivalent. And then, not in our database, but through the assessment reports found there were 6 other holes over a distance of 480 meters that also had similar grades. So I put this together in sections, and we got 480 meters length and 370 meters down dip with about a 90 meter thickness. And that came up to, my goodness, this could be potential for 40 to 50 million tons of mineralization and of 1 gram plus and over 0.15 copper. So plus rhenium with moly. So the plan this year is, starting in April, is to drill 8 holes on 5 pads. Luckily, there are good roads there, so they're easy to drill off roads. So we've got these 8 holes, and with that, we'll have an inferred resource. That's be a starting resource, inferred resource. That's our key target at North West Expo, to try and see if we can get 40 to 50 million tons. That's the objective.